Hello, Brenton with All Out Octane here. In this video, I'm going to open up the 5-car Fast and Furious Fast Import set. This would be the car culture set. These cars were $5.47 on the pegs. It took me quite a while to acquire them, so I apologize if you've already seen these on the internet. Hopefully my review will be fun and entertaining that you'll want to watch it. I hadn't opened them up yet because I was working on finding all of them, so now that I have found all 5, I'm going to open them up for you guys. That kind of goes into a topic of, do you open cars, do you not open cars? I wasn't going to open these until I realized the other day that Walmart had like 5 boxes of these things that just hit the pegs, and there was a plentiful amount of these cars. I figured might as well open them up. So hopefully you guys are able to find them just as much as I was able to find them. Like I said, I found the first couple of waves. It took me a while to find the first couple cars, and then I was able to find all of them because a Walmart near my area had quite a number of boxes with them with all 5 cars. So I don't know if they're going to be that rare. If they are, that's okay. I enjoy opening these cars for you guys, and I enjoy the videos and making the videos and hearing what you guys all have to say. So first up, we're going to go with the Nissan Skyline Gtr Bnr 34. The card art is fantastic on this car. It's got the silver paint. This would be Brian Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious. They've done this car quite a number of times now, and this one probably is the best. I'll have to go watch the movie again because it's been a while to see if this matches up to his car, how accurately it matches to his car. I don't remember his car having a blue spoiler, but I could be wrong. I'll have to again go watch it. But there it is. There is the Skyline. It has rear tampos, side tampos, top tampos, front tampos, the whole 9 yards. This is a very well done car. Right-hand drive, just like it is in real life. I'm gonna pop that light on. There we go. Initially, it's easier to start with the light off when I'm filming during the day. So there we go. There is the car. Fantastic looking. This is the car that got me into Nissan Skylines. I know a lot of people play Gran Turismo. I unfortunately didn't get to play that game. I wasn't much of a gamer. Always into Hot Wheels, always into cars, liked going to drag races, doing all that stuff. So gaming for me wasn't my interest, but that Too Fast, Too Furious is what got me into the Skyline. Brian Skyline is what did it. So there we go. Next up is number 2. This is the one that took me the longest to find, is the Nissan Silvia S15. So this is the Mona Lisa, what would be Han's car that Sean drives in Tokyo Drift and then completely wrecks it, which is a very sad moment. Both of these cars, both of my favorite cars, the Skyline and the Silvia, get completely messed up in the films, and they're not even on the screen much more than probably like 10 minutes. So very kind of sad to, let me focus that for you guys. Very sad, but I'm so glad they finally made this car because this car deserved to be manufactured. They had a Nissan Silvia for a while. I didn't pull that one out, but there was a Silvia casting that I thought they might have used, but I'm really glad they retooled it, made a new one, or actually started from scratch, and created the Mona Lisa, or the Nissan Silvia. Side tampo, top tampo, rear tampo, there is the whole workaround. And they did really well with the rims on these as well. So there it is. Stunning car, absolutely stunning. Next up, we've got the 1970 Ford Focus RS 1600. European Ford, I'm sorry, Ford Escort. Did I say Escort? Escort RS? Might have said Focus. I own a real Ford Focus, so I've had that on my brain lately because it needs to go into the mechanic. Alright, so here we go. Here's the Ford Escort. Top tampo, side tampo, rear and front. They have done this car many times now. It's just nice to see it very well done, but it's kind of overdone, I think. It was a very simple car. I think they could have done maybe, it would have been cool if they could have done the Jensen. That would have been awesome, because that was where this movie came from. I believe number 6 or 5. Yeah, you would have figured I'd know my Fast and Furious. But yeah, so we've got it would have been cool if they would have been able to make that the Jensen, but they keep making the Escort. I don't even know if they have a license with Jensen. All that to say, I think this is kind of an overdone casting at this point, but I'm glad they put it a part of it. I'm glad they gave it a premium, a very well done paint job and everything. All right, so now we have the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 570-4 Superleggera. Now this is a fantastic car as well. Again, already in the main line, probably looks exactly like this. I actually think I have a car on my desk right now that looks exactly like it. But nice to see in this particular tempo. I don't know, the Superleggera I thought would have the Italian flag on it, but I don't know if they put it on this one. Maybe it didn't have it in the movie. So yeah, there it is. This is a fantastic casting. It's a little more orange in person. It's showing up a little more yellow on camera. It does have front tampos, rear tampos. Oh, and yeah, it's definitely in the movie because it's got the black taillights. So then they must have it movie spec'd. I don't remember which this one's in. I'll have to go back through and watch these movies. All right, last up is the Nissan Skyline Gtr Bnr 32. Packaging is fantastic on all these cars. This car's hard, and it might be kind of hard even when I get it out. I believe this one might be, so I know this isn't in the fourth one, or fifth one. Maybe it's in the fourth one. Does Mia drive this car in the fourth one? No, she has the Actreon. Well, if you know which movie this one's from, I'd appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I've been enjoying all your comments. You guys are really helpful. You guys let me know all these things. So here we go. We've got the Skyline R32 front tampo. There isn't really any rear or side. Just have a really small side one to make it just like the real car does. It does have the rear tampo though. And yeah, so there it is. So that is the Fast and Furious set of cars from Hot Wheels. Again, premium car culture. It's going to be quite expensive. They're $5 and some odd cents. So be prepared for that. If you're looking for them on the pegs, they should be hitting. I know they might have hit earlier, but now there's a bunch of them hitting. Like I said, quite a few boxes in my area. So I decided to open them for you guys on camera. If you know about the movies, or you enjoy the movies, or you don't like the movies, let me know. And let me know if you're able to find the cars. But until then, happy hunting.